So one of the things about the Tiger Moth is it's easy to fly, but hard to fly well. But the ground handling is relatively straightforward. As you can see, one person can just hold onto the wings and the aircraft can spin round and you're parked where you want to go.
And what have we got here, Dennis?
So this is a DH60 Moth. One of the features about the DH60 when it was first introduced was the fuselage construction based on the 51 was relatively straightforward. It was wooden structure covered with plywood. But this particular Moth is a little bit different. So come around with me and let's have a look. If we look at the fuselage of this Moth, we notice it's a different structure. The basic structure of the fuselage for this Moth is actually metal and it's covered with fabric. So this is the DH60M, the Metal Moth. 161 of these Moths were built in America by the de Havilland Corporation. The reason for choosing the metal structure covered with fabric, although it was heavier and therefore the plane was slower and not as performant, but it was better for maintenance, particularly in America. And many of the later design Moths were in fact the Metal Moth with the characteristic slightly changed fuselage.